This video is meant to be an orientation and familiarization of Fassi crane models F355RA through F545RA equipped with E-Dynamic and XE-Dynamic packages. This is by no means a training or certification video. Prior to crane operation, read and understand Use and Maintenance Manual and Appendix A and B. Prior to all unit operation, be sure to wear safety gear per local OSHA regulations. Walk around the unit performing a visual inspection. Checking the components listed in Section 10.2 of the Use and Maintenance Manual. To begin crane operation with the engine running, engage the PTO by pressing the switch located on the dash. After the PTO is engaged, you will need to deploy the crane outriggers. As shown in Chapter 6 of the Use and Maintenance Manual, ensure the main diverter valve is turned towards the ES decal. Outriggers are controlled by using two levers. The first lever is used to divert oil to specific outrigger extension or stabilizing ram. E references outrigger extension or retraction. S references stabilizing ram up and down. R references ram rotation. The second lever is used to deploy or stow the outriggers. To begin, if equipped, unlock the hydraulic tilting outrigger. Extend the outrigger beam by moving the lever to the E position, while holding the second lever in the deploy position. Move the lever to R position. Outrigger will fully rotate down until contacting the stop. Relock the tilting outrigger ram and switch the diverter lever. Finally, move the lever to the S position to stabilize the crane. Ensure the machine is level within 1.5 degrees by referencing the bubble level. Outriggers are intended to add stabilization to the machine only. They should never lift the vehicle tires off the ground. Some machines may come equipped with optional radio remote controlled outriggers. To activate the outrigger circuit, use the rotating selection knob to highlight the outrigger icon. Press and confirm the outrigger circuit. Remote control paddle operation will mirror the manual outrigger controls. Before crane operation, ensure that outriggers are extended fully and ground penetration is properly achieved per Chapter 6 of the Use and Maintenance Manual. Only if the crane is equipped with a stability control system will the outriggers be allowed partial extension. Once outriggers are properly deployed, the operator can begin the crane unfolding process. The operator can always reference Chapter 6 of the Use and Maintenance Manual or the unfolding decal on crane column for instructions. To unfold the crane, turn diverter valve from ES decal to crane hook. The radio remote transmitter should always be the first choice of operation. If equipped with radio outriggers, scroll to the crane hook icon, then select and confirm. To turn radio on, untwist all E-stops. Press and release power button once, then press and hold power button again for 3 seconds. Radio screen should show crane folded. If radio remote fails to communicate with crane wirelessly, utilize the serial backup cable to hardwire the remote to the crane. If connection issues remain, an operator needs to use manual controls. Turn radio off by pressing the E-stop. On the crane display, press the Enter button followed by the right arrow key until the icon RM is displayed. Press the Enter button again to select. Toggle right to capital M and confirm by pressing Enter. The main screen will now show a hand signal instead of a blinking antenna. To begin unfolding the crane, pressurize the outer boom lift cylinder by pushing the third lever from the left and holding until crane folded message disappears. Pull second lever from the left to move the main boom up. The red leftmost lever controls crane rotation. The second lever controls inner boom up and down. The third lever controls outer boom up and down. The fourth lever controls crane extension and retraction. The fifth lever, if equipped, is used to control boom tip tool or jib articulation. The sixth lever, if equipped, is used to control a second boom tip tool, winch, or jib extension. If an alarm code appears during crane operation, scroll to the LMI icon and press Enter to clear the code. If alarm reappears, retract boom and place load safely on the ground. If alarm prevents crane operation, activate the red bypass knob on the crane base by fully screwing it in. This will disable all electronic safety features on the machine. Once crane is stowed, knob must be unscrewed. Before folding the crane, the operator can always reference Chapter 8 in the Use and Maintenance Manual or the folding decal on crane column for instructions. To fold the crane, ensure the load has been detached from the machine. Rotate the crane until the reference indicators on column and base coincide. Fully retract the boom extensions. If equipped, the winch hook must be secured at the winch drum and slack in the line eliminated. Lift the inner boom above truck cab height. Fold the outer boom completely. Lower the inner boom, ensuring the stowing tab falls in line with the slot. Press E-stop on remote and store inside truck cab. Once crane has been folded, retract the outriggers by turning diverter valve back to ES decal. Retract outriggers using the same controls as deployment. If equipped with radio-controlled outriggers, scroll to the outrigger icon, then select and confirm. For questions, reference your Use and Maintenance Manual or contact your local Fassi dealer.